Hello good day viewers. In this tutorial we are going to find a solution to this problem involving arithmetic progression. We are given that if the AP series is given by k plus 1 plus 2k plus 3 plus 3k plus 5 plus up to 303, we are asked to find the value of k provided that the sum of all of these terms equal to 2568. Alright, let's get started. Let us write down the data. A is what? The first term, which is k plus 1. K plus 1. Then common difference D, you can take this and minus this, or you take this, you minus this, all the same. So we can take 2k plus 3, then we subtract k plus 1. 2k minus k is k. 3 minus 1 is 2, and hence the common difference is k plus 2. Then what else do we need? I think we need L. L is what? The last term, which is 303. We also need N, but N is unknown. What else? Let me write the formula first. Sum of terms as N is equal to N divided by 2 multiplied by A plus L. Oh, we need N. N is unknown, but we can find it using N terms. How do we find N term? Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 times D. So we can use this formula to find N, then we substitute it here. So Tn is equal to A is given as k plus 1. So we have k plus 1, then plus N that we are looking for, minus 1, times D. And what is D? D is k plus 2. You can see that here. Multiplied by k plus 2. But you know that every single term can be represented by Tn. So since the last term is given to us, we can use it to find the total number of terms. So Tn equal to 303 this time around. So let me even include it here. You know, this is also Tn. Tn and last term are all the same. So 303 is equal to k plus 1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by k plus 2. Remember, our main goal is to find the value of n. So now let us subtract these two terms. So we have 303 minus k minus 1. This is equal to n minus 1 multiplied by k plus 2. Right? Then we can now divide both sides by k plus 2. So we have 303 minus 1 is 302. So we have 302 minus k divided by k plus 2. This remain n minus 1. Then we can add 1 to both sides. We have 302 minus k divided by k plus 2. Then plus 1 as it crosses over. This is equal to n. But 1 can be expressed as what? K plus 2 divided by k plus 2, just to have common denominators. So we have 302 minus k divided by k plus 2, then plus 1, which can be written as k plus 2 divided by k plus 2. This is equal to n. Since the denominators are the same, we can add the numerators. So 302 plus 2 is 304. 304. And minus k plus k is 0. Then you divide by a common denominator, which is k plus 2. And this is equal to n. Or I can write it to the left hand side. N equal to this. So if n equal to this, we can now plug it back into our formula, which is this one. Let me just copy that. Alright, now let us substitute everything. Remember, the sum of all times is given as what? 2568. So we have 2568 equal to n divided by 2. What is n? N is 304 divided by k plus 2 from this, right? Then multiply by 1 over 2 is the same thing as dividing by 2. Then multiply by a plus l. What is a? E is k plus 1, I think so. Yeah, k plus 1. Then l is the last term, which is 303. So we have k plus 1, then plus last term, which is 303. So we simplify and find the value of k. 2568 is equal to, I can use this 2 to divide this number right here. So 304 divided by 2 will give us 152 divided by k plus 2 multiplied by k plus 304, because 1 plus 303 is 304. We are moving. I think we can cross multiply. We can take this and multiply by this. So k times the whole of this will be 2568k plus, then we take 2 and multiply by this. That will give us 5136, and this is equal to, we can now take these and distribute over these 2 times. So we have 152 times k is 152k, then plus this times this, that will give us 46,208. All right, let us bring the like times. Bring this one to the left and take this one to the right. We have 2568k minus 152k equal to 46,208 minus 5,136. We have just collected the like terms. Let's subtract. 2,568 minus 152 is equal to 2,416k. This is equal to 46,208 minus 5,136 is equal to 41,072. And lastly, we divide both sides by the coefficient of k, and k is equal to 41,072 divided by 24,000 or 2,416, and this is exactly equal to 17. Hence, the value of k in that sequence is nothing but 17. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.